Welcome. In this quick troubleshooting guide, we're going to walk through the 3 most common reasons why not all of your words are appearing in your puzzles. Whether you're working with a word search, crossword, word fill, or word snake, these simple tips will help you fix the problem fast. The first reason your words might not be showing up is that the grid size is too small. If your puzzle doesn't have enough space, there just isn't room for every word to fit. The fix is simple. Increase the number of letters across and/or down until all your words have enough space to be placed. A little extra room can make a big difference. Another common issue is having one or more words that are too long for the grid. If a word is longer than the number of letters across or down, it simply can't fit. To fix this, check the length of your longest word and make sure that your letters across and letters down settings are at least as big as that word. That way, even your longest word has enough room. The third reason some words might be missing is that the number of words per puzzle setting was entered incorrectly. This usually happens when users accidentally type a lower number than intended, so not all words are included when the puzzle is generated. To fix this, double check that the number of words per puzzle matches the number of words you actually want in your puzzle. A quick review of this setting can make sure all your words show up where they should. And that's it. Most missing word issues come down to grid size, word length, or the number of words per puzzle. Make those quick adjustments and you'll have a perfect puzzle every time. Thanks for watching, and if you need more help, be sure to check out our full library of tutorials. Happy creating!